We all know just how special New Zealand is. I mean, where else can you glide down a ski field one minute and lay down on a white sand beach the next? Not to mention the incredible wine, meat and dairy that's enjoyed by people across the globe. We're known for pumping out a lot of good into the world, yet our government knows that the more diverse our portfolio, the better off we'll be as an economy in the long run. That's why they built this awesome online platform called NZ Story. Our government wants to help Kiwis showcase their product to the world and provides free resources and workshops to leverage the New Zealand brand. In their own words, NZ Story helps by tapping into what makes our country special to help you drive demand for your business and in turn make New Zealand famous for more good things. Their insight and content will help you brand your product effectively in offshore markets and possibly make your product our next big export. Let's break down what they offer. First up, their workshops. These free 4-hour events help you discover the New Zealandness behind your brand and how to work this into your story to help your product sell in other countries. Then there's their country perception events, led by their key researcher who will talk you through perceptions of New Zealand in major overseas markets and how exporters can leverage it. If you're needing that knowledge now, however, the site also has your back. Head to their market research section and you can download research papers on how countries such as the US, Dubai and Germany perceive our products and how best you can tailor your story to suit. But that's not all. Their toolkit section contains professional, royalty-free images, videos, presentations, infographics and more that you can use in any capacity. Whether that's on your website, in social media posts, in virtually any way you see fit. Need beautiful images of multicultural Kiwi faces, stunning vineyard imagery, maybe an infographic to place on your website? Their toolkit has got you covered. And then comes their Fern Mark. This is basically a mark of authentication that you can place on your packaging or website that connects your product to New Zealand. It's endorsed by the New Zealand government and any export business can apply for a license. NZ Story is a home to a true wealth of resources, ready for you to take advantage of, export business or otherwise. And it's 100% free, even the workshops and events. If I were you, I know what I'd be typing into my search engine once this video ends.